First of all, go to your computer and open Google Chrome browser. Then come to Chrome Web Store. In here, search for image downloader and add this image downloader extension to your Chrome browser. Once it's added, click this extension icon, pin the image downloader extension. Now go to your Facebook and go to the page. Once you are in the Facebook page, click on photos. And here you have to scroll down and load all photos you want to download. Once you successfully load all photos in the page, click on the extension. And here click on select all. And this extension will select all your page photos just like this. Now all you have to need, click on download. Click on download. And we can see all photos are now downloading on my computer. It may take some more minutes to complete the download process. It may depends on your image quantity. Once done, go to your file explorer, go to downloads folder. Here open the Facebook page name folder. Inside of this folder, you find all of your downloaded images just like this.